Okay, hello. Welcome to the YCharts Peter Lynch universe. I'm going to take a look at some of the stocks in this YCharts Peter Lynch universe. Basically, what YCharts does is it screens for stocks that resemble Peter Lynch's or a Peter Lynch kind of stock. What they do is they use, I'll read it from right here from the Peter Lynch universe. It says it select stocks with a low market cap but not microcap stocks, a low PEG ratio, and a reasonable debt to equity ratio. When calculating returns for the universe, we picked the top 35 stocks based on dividend yield. So by limiting the universe, we get a list of stocks that is small, unlevered, and reasonably valued given its historic growth rate, all of which are considered attractive characteristics. So yeah, it comes up with like a group of 35 stocks. I've covered a few of these in other videos, but for this video, we're going to take a look at DHIL Investment Group Inc. The ticker is DHIL. So again, for a lot of these stocks, like I don't really know a lot about them. If you're planning on doing investing in any of these stocks, you know, do your own due diligence. I kind of think of these as more of just like a jumping off point for getting a good idea for possible investments. Yeah, this is just a really brief overview of kind of what these companies are all about. So the profile for DHIL Investment Group: it sponsors, markets, and provides investment advisory and related services to various U.S. and foreign clients, including mutual funds, separate accounts, and private investment funds. The company's objective is to fulfill a fiduciary duty to clients and secondary objectives to achieve an adequate long-term return for shareholders. It generates its revenue from investment advisory and mutual fund administration fees. So it's located in Ohio. Sectors of financial services, industry says asset management. Yeah, according to YCharts, it's got a neutral rating for it. Its value score is 8 out of 10. Its fundamental score is 9 out of 10. And its valuation history is negative 8.28%. The market cap is $565 million. Dividend yields 3.19%. The revenue 5-year growth is 6%. Revenue quarterly year-over-year is 30%, negative 30%. So it looks like it's not doing so well lately. EPS diluted 5-year growth is 11.59%. EPS diluted quarterly year-over-year growth is negative 51.43%. Debt to equity ratio is 0. Return on equity 23.35%. PE is 13.55. Yeah, let's see here. Let's take a look at the key stats. See how much cash it has on hand. It's got $63.19 million on its cash on its balance sheet. It has no long-term debt, so it's not going bankrupt anytime soon. Free cash flow is $27 million. The payout ratio on its dividend looks like it's pretty good. Dividend's 3.19% or 3.2%, which is okay. Yeah, and then the PEG ratio doesn't have a PEG ratio. Okay. See here, the free cash flow. So it's okay. Cash, just see his balance sheet here. It's come down a little bit along with the stock market. I imagine it's probably affected by the stock markets considering it's in financial services, but yeah, it's DHIL Investment Group. Yeah, I don't know. I'll see here. Shares outstanding. It's been reducing shares. It's usually a good thing. Has it always had 0 long-term debt? Yeah, it always has. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to say about Diamond Hill. I mean, maybe I'll take a look at that a little bit more in future videos. I'm not sure. Maybe if anybody is interested in digging into that a little bit more, let me know in the comments below on this channel. If you're interested in keeping up to date with the Peter Lynch universe, check out my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. I have a newsletter. If you subscribe to that, you'll get updates to this Peter Lynch universe, which I do routinely, and or also just subscribe to this channel. But yeah, that is Diamond Hill Investment Group. Okay, thanks very much.